Hey everyone, welcome back, and this is episode 6 of how to model a house in Revit. So I'm going to guide you on how to model the roof and ceilings for our house. So let's get started. To begin, go to the Architecture tab and select the Roof tool. There are a few methods you can choose from depending on your design, such as roof by footprint or roof by extrusion. For most designs, you'll use roof by footprint, and in the floor plan view, use the Pick Walls tool to create the roof's footprint. You can also adjust the overhang by setting an offset from the exterior walls. So now it's time to select the roof type. You might want a gable, hip, or flat roof. You can customize the slope, material, and thickness in the Properties palette. Feel free to drop any questions about the video or suggestions for future ones down in the comments. Use the Edit Profile tool to tweak the shape of the roof as needed. So don't forget to add important elements like a fascia and gutters to complete the roof structure. Next, let's move on to the ceilings. Go to the Architecture tab and under Build, click on Ceiling. You can either choose on Automatic Ceiling for enclosed spaces or use Sketch Ceiling to create custom shape. Make sure to adjust ceiling height relative to the floor level. Typically, you'll want ceiling heights to be consistent in similar spaces like bedrooms or living rooms. Lastly, choose the ceiling materials that best fit the design and function of each space. For example, you might want to use drywalls in living areas and acoustic tiles for spaces where you want to control the sound. So that's it for episode 6 on how to model a house in Revit. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for episode 7 or any future videos. Also, don't be shy to comment down below any types of suggestions that you want us to do in the future. Thank you so much. Bye!